Welcome to Jurisage Academy's YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss the 6-month preparation strategy for CLAT PG 2022. Now that it's already November, the December month will be very important because that is when the notification for CLAT will be most likely be coming. So it's very important to understand that if you are somebody who has just started your preparation or if you plan to start your preparation in December, then what are the important tips to keep into mind and how should you divide your time between such a vast syllabus which has more than 13 important subjects, and also the fact that you have to read recent case laws in this. So in this video we are going to discuss an easy 6-month preparation strategy that you can follow if you are appearing for CLAT PG examination in 2022. First and foremost, you should focus on the big 6 subjects. Now these subjects are something that will always be asked, so it is important that you first focus on these subjects because not only are they important, but they are also something that will be very bulky and heavy to finish in the first go. So it's very important that you put special emphasis on constitutional law, Indian Penal Code, jurisprudence, PIL, family law and contracts. So these are the most important subjects and the most commonly asked subjects, not just in CLAT PG examination but in any LLM entrance examination. So it's important that you cover these first and then move on to the other lesser important subjects. Now study the remaining subjects strategically. Now that we know that there are so many subjects that are now part of the syllabus of CLAT PG examination, it's important to be strategic about it. For example, in IPR, you cannot go on reading all the laws relating to copyright, patents in detail. It's important that you highlight the important areas first and then only prepare accordingly. Because for most of the other subjects, only a good understanding of the BEAR Act and landmark cases is sufficient to understand and approach that subject if it were to come in the exam. So the rest of the subjects have to be studied strategically without going into unnecessary details. Next up, finish your basics within 3 months. So the basics of any subject. For example, if you're reading constitutional law, then you have to make sure that you are done with at least the BEAR Act in detail and with the landmark cases and the development that has happened through amendments and through judicial decisions. So in this manner, you have to give 3 months to the basics without getting into recent case laws or any recent legal developments. So make sure that you devote at least 3 months and the first 3 months of your preparation solely focused on the basics. Next up, you have to leave 2 months for studying recent case laws as well. Now that you know that CLAT has changed its pattern and now it is no longer a simple MCQ based exam in which questions are repeated every year, but now that you have recent case laws also that are very frequently asked, you need to make sure that you leave at least 2 months for studying recent case laws. Now again, here you don't have to mindlessly go ahead and read all the cases that have come up in the last 2-3 years. Again, you have to be strategic. You have to understand which cases are more important and more likely to come in the examination. Last 1 month has to be reserved for revision and mock tests. Now this is very important because if you have read everything, if you have read the basics and if you have read the case laws, but if you don't periodically revise them, especially in the last 1 month before your exam, then the whole preparation may take a hit and you may not be as well prepared as you might have hoped to be. So in the last 1 month, you have to make sure that you constantly revise whatever you have read, which includes the revision of basics, landmark cases, and recent case laws. Additionally, if you can subscribe to any mock test series, that would be really helpful because you will be able to test your knowledge and make the adjustments accordingly. So this is our 6-month strategy for you if you're preparing and appearing for the 2022 examination. If you have any particular concerns with respect to how to prepare or what sources to refer to, you can either leave them in the comment box or you may also reach out to us in the details mentioned in the chat box. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please like and share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.